Hey guys, welcome to this latest video from Utemaster. We're going to take you on a walkthrough through this TrailCore fit out. Josh, tell us about it.
Thanks, Elijah. This customer had a really specific problem to solve. He's a drone pilot. These guys are using drones to inspect electrical distribution lines, and they need a fit out so that they can not only charge, but also work out of the back of their TrailCore. Elijah, do you want to take us through the specific customer requirements for this build?
Absolutely. So there's a couple of key things the customer really needed from this build. First being obviously security. There's a lot of money's worth of gear in the TrailCore. Secondly, they needed to be able to charge those drones when they're out and about and make sure they're fully operational 24/7. And thirdly, they also need a platform that can carry other tools and store other things that they need, such as road cones, safety signage, and other things like that. All right, do you want to take us through the specifics of the fit out?
Let's go. So this fit out's pretty special. We've got a extra cab TrailCore service body in nice black here. Right here we've got a couple of dividers to keep all his tools, cones, everything that he needs nice and secure. So here we have our electrical fit out based around the Red Arc Manager Alpha 50, coupled to a large solar array on the roof and powered by a 300 amp hour lithium battery. All of this is getting powered by a 3000 watt inverter and tied to the Red Vision control screen. This allows the customer to control and power things like drone batteries, laptops, any other battery requirements that he has, alongside be running his TV monitor and any other electrical accessories. All of this including 2 power points mounted directly to the MuleTech electrical panel. So this slide's been designed around a DJI M30 commercial drone, allowing easy access for the customer to take it in and out and hide it away inside the body. Elijah, do you want to take us through the rest of this build?
Absolutely. So all of this electrical and drone setup is housed in the Utemaster TrailCore service body. And something you get regardless of your setup with the TrailCore is weatherproofing, security, and access. Let's take a closer look at that. Because of all the electronics in this fit out, you want it to stay weatherproof. And with the Utemaster TrailCore, you get this built in with automotive grade weather seals around the doors and rain channels to direct water away from the service body. When you're carrying thousands of dollars worth of valuable gear inside your TrailCore, security is extremely important. That's why at Utemaster we have bandit proof locking. Simply lock your vehicle with the factory key fob, and this disconnects the handle from the locking mechanism in the TrailCore. This build came with the underbody drawer, the biggest on the market, giving plenty of extra room for storage. Alongside this, we have a full width divider and standard 1200 shelving unit, providing plenty of storage for other items.
This customer needs to be seen at all times parked on the side of the road. So we've got bright orange strobe lights on all corners, matched to an amber flashing light at the front. At the rear we have a large LED work light, and on all 3 doors, our TrailCore standard internal LED lights.
The customer came to us needing a drone fit out, and we've provided a solution that gives him the platform that's easy to work from, it's secure, allowing him to get out onto site and check the lines and make sure the power's still running. Josh, any final words?
This fit out is built for what matters. If you have a specific requirement or problem that needs solving, get in touch with the team at Utemaster today.